everyone, this is Mrs. C, and as promised, I am here aboard the lovely Carnival Radiance, leaving out of Long Beach. This is the trip that we have been preparing for, the one that we did get at a discounted rate, because we did wait a while to actually purchase the tickets. I am currently on the Serenity deck, which is a little bit small, but it's very quiet. We were able to get an early embarkation time, and so it's about 12 o'clock. We've already had our guy's burger, which I'll show at one point or another, and we are just sitting enjoying some time before we have to sail away. So I will promise to get more information on the ship and how much money we spend as we go along on the cruise. Thus far, however, it's been awesome. Embarkation day was pretty easy because I had my documents all in a row. We were able to get on the ship about 11 o'clock, I guess, because they do have a procedure on who they board first. So just in case you were wondering, once you purchase your ticket and you have everything done and you're able to print your boarding pass, you will be given a zone to load from. And we did pick a early time slot, which was 10 to 10:30, and we ended up with zone A2. Now the way that Carnival does it is that they will call all of the suite guests first, clearly, right? Then the diamond, then the platinum, then it starts A1, A2, A3, and so forth. And so we were able to get into that A2, which is really nice because, like I said, we're able to get in and out. We've sped through security, took our pictures. We're on the boat, sitting down, eating a guy's burger by 11:15 or so. So we did get to the port quite early. We were here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and that was just because I didn't know it was going to be a long line. And we were actually in the front of the line to actually get in, so that was pretty good too. So again, this is day one of our 3-day cruise to Ensenada. Hello everyone, so I just wanted to give you a quick room tour. This is our inside cabin, and it is my daughter's birthday, so we did have the room decorated, and it came with this really cute picture frame and towel of her own for her birthday. This is so awesome. I'm so happy with what happened. Now, because we are a 4-person family, we did have the room set up as a king-size bed for me and my husband. Up here you see we have an upper Pullman for one of our daughters, and then the other daughter will be staying on the bed, which currently has our stuff on it, but never mind. Here we do show, I don't want to show her information, but here is her happy birthday chocolate cake. So she is going to be super excited. Just again, let me show you. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be for an inside cabin, like for real. So here we are. We did have our water delivered to our stateroom. Again, this is one of the ways that you can save money. We did pay for it before the price hike, so now it's double the price. We paid $5. Now it's about $9 per 12 pack. But we did get 2 12 packs, so they gave us just a big 24. And again, this is me. Hi everyone. This water is not free unless you are a specific level, which I am that level, but yeah, they didn't give it to me free, and I'm not going to worry about it because I don't care about water. Here's a commemorative inaugural book. If you take it, you pay for it, y'all. All right, here is the restroom. Now, this is one of the things I was talking about that you can do to make the room smell a little bit better and have you see what I was talking about for the curtains, the shower curtains? So what I'm going to do before the first person takes a shower, I'm gonna clip those bad boys down because it is cloth, but it will move, all right? Like I said, it's a very small restroom. And here is our room. What card is this that has the lights on? Oh, they put a blank card in here. That is so smart. So that was awesome. Our room attendant did think ahead. Here's our safe right here, and it's just a typical Carnival room. It's not real big. It is quite small, But here are our life jackets. I have to make sure that they are the right sizes. And then here is Of course, the ladder to go for the Pullman. We have hangers. We haven't gotten our luggage yet, but that is a really quick room tour, and that is it. Now, for the price that we paid for this room, it was pretty good. And the decorations cost about $65. The water was $10 at the time. Now it's $20. So just give you an idea. All right, thanks a lot.